went to watch a 3D movie. I had bought the pair of my 3D glasses to my home to watch that same movie on my home television. But that movie didn't seem to be 3D. It was just the ordinary movie. That kept me wondering that why did that happen? And that led me to a question that how do the 3D glasses really work? Hi everyone, this is me, Sarna, and welcome to Science Zone. Today's topic is how do the 3D glasses work? But before that, let's do a trick with the eyes. Close one of your eye and see your finger. Now close the other and see that same finger. Doesn't it look like that your finger is hopping from side to side? Isn't that fascinating that both our eyes form different image of the same thing with slight different position? So our brain gets tricked into thinking that we are seeing the same thing and merge or combined both the images together. But what if the brain does not merge the images together? What will happen? Here you're able to see a 3D stack of books. But if our brain haven't combined both the images together, then we would just have seen it as a drawing on a paper, just a 2D view, and everything around us we see the similar way. So if our brain doesn't combine both the images, we will either be colliding with walls or not knowing the correct position of things. Through this, we get the position and how far a thing is placed from us. It is just because of our eyes and brain, we are able to see a 3D view of things. And with the help of both our eyes, we are able to see a 180-degree view. That means a half circle. We are only able to see a half circle because we can't see behind us. As humans can only see what is happening in front of us and at the sides, thus giving us a 180 view. And if you want to learn more about eyes, go and check out our video, Eyes and It's Working. And through this process, we are able to see a 3D view of things. And this process is named as depth perception. Now, you must be wondering, we have to learn about 3D glasses. Then why are we learning that how do we see things around us? This is because 3D glasses or 3D movie uses depth perception, which gives us a 3D view. Whenever a movie is projected on the screen, we see slightly different images of the same thing. So 3D glasses having two filters, red filter and the blue filter, we see different images. But our brain perceives it as a single image and combines it, thus giving us a 3D view of the image. I am sure you might have tried removing your 3D glasses during a movie. And movie and our characters which we like doesn't seem that good then. Now 3D glasses having two lenses, the red lens and the blue lens. So the red filter only allows blue light to enter into our left eye, whereas the blue filter only allows red light to enter into our eyes, thus forming different images. Now, as the world is progressing, we have advanced technologies. So now there is a different kind of 3D lens. We have polarized 3D glasses. Now it uses the interesting property of waves called polarization. Light being a wave, or actually it behaves like one. Light which we see around us coming from the sun, lamp, candle are non-polarized light or unpolarized light, as the light goes into all the directions. When a candle is lit, we can see the light from a distance too, or we can see the candle from a distance too. That is because the light is unpolarized and go into all the directions. When light waves move in only one direction, we get polarized light. Let's try to understand this with the help of an example. We have a rope. Consider this rope to be a wave of light. If I move the rope in a circular motion, just like we do when we are skipping, we have non-polarized light. Waves as light is going into all directions, or the waves are spreading in all the directions. But if I put two tables and put the rope between it and move it vertically, then we will have polarized light because it oscillates or move in only one direction. But if I move the same rope in a horizontal way, then no waves are formed or there is no acceleration. So the wave does not reach the person holding the rope from the other end. Now 3D glasses use this effect. They only allow horizontal light to go through and blocks almost all the vertical light. Now in a movie theatre, they use a projector to project the movie on the screen. But in the case of a 3D movie, they use two projectors which project two different movies. Now we have two different filters, red filter and the blue filter. So they only allow one kind of light to pass through it, thus giving us two different images, and the brain combines it and forming one image and forming a 3D view. Wasn't that easy to understand? Now what will happen if we try closing one of our eyes? Yes, we will not get the proper view as only one kind of light is coming in. We only get one image. Thus, it's not 3D anymore. Now, we have the more advanced version of a 3D glass. Shutter 3D glasses. Shutter 3D glasses are considered the most advanced type of 3D glasses available today. While the other two types of 3D glasses use something called passive 3D, while the shutter glasses utilizes active 3D. They don't use filtered image or color to create a three-dimensional view. Instead, they have automatic shutters which move from side to side, thus making one side opaque at a time. This shutter glasses filter works alternatively. That means they keep changing their position from the right eye to the left eye and so on. This means that at a time only one's lens is able to see and the other one is opaque. And these shutters alternate so fast, that is 120 times in a minute, that the brain combines both the images together and gives us a single image. Isn't that fascinating and interesting how advanced technology can be? Now to summarize what we have learned in this video. We all can accept the fact that 3D glasses only work due to the working of our eyes and brain. It wouldn't be possible for 3D glasses to work if our brain wouldn't have combined both the images together and given us a 3D view. And do share this video with your friends and family so they can also learn. Do hit the like and the subscribe button to get videos on interesting topics like this.